Hi guys, this is 2011 Kia Sorento. This one I need to replace for the brake light bulb. You can see this one and the middle one is working, but the right hand side one is not working. We have to change for the globe. Good. We need to off these two screws. The one screw. Two screws. You can see the wiggle. Okay, these two notches is going to in here. So the brake light bulbs in here. It's a double filament bulb. It's broken inside. So here's a new globe. This is the old one. So I'm going to replace for this one to here. Okay. Now I'm going to press the brake pedal. Then have a look. The brake light is working. The brake light. All good. Put back inside. These notches, we have to turn it. That's it. Okay, and now I have to put back the screws. Okay guys, you can see the brake light, all the working, all three. So this is how is the brake light is replaced in your car. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.